The USS Alabama has been near and dear to my heart for a very long time, well, at least since I was a teenager. I just love driving through Mobile, Alabama on I-10 and seeing this thing just to the south of the highway. It's so much fun to be able to climb all over it. They let you go up the tower and all the way down to the engine room. I've taken my wife there since we've gotten married, as well as our son and now our girls, and it's just a blast. And they've even got a submarine for you to climb on. How cool is that? Come with us now as we take an epic tour of the USS Alabama and the USS Drum.